Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best arch support shoes for men on the market, the Skechers Men's Go Walk Arch Fit 2.0-Grand sneaker. If you've been searching for a sneaker that combines comfort, style, and expert support, this might just be the perfect fit for you. First off, the Skechers Go Walk Arch Fit 2.0-Grand is designed with patented Arch Fit insole technology, which is podiatrist certified to provide superior arch support. This system is specifically engineered to reduce foot fatigue and provide enhanced stability, making it an excellent choice. For those who spend long hours on their feet or who simply want better support throughout the day. The insole is removable, allowing it to mold to your foot over time, which helps in reducing shock and distributing weight more evenly. This feature can be a game changer for people who suffer from discomfort caused by improper foot alignment or arch issues. In terms of design, the sneaker features an engineered heathered knit upper with stretch laces that work like a slip-on. This means you get the convenience of easy slip-in wear without sacrificing the secure fit you expect from a lace-up shoe. The knit material also allows for breathability, keeping your feet cool and comfortable. Underfoot, the shoe incorporates an Ultra Go midsole which delivers lightweight cushioning and responsiveness. This midsole material absorbs impact and provides a springy feel with each step, so whether you're walking around town or going for a light jog, you'll notice the difference. The outsole is built for traction and durability. It has a dual-density rubber design that enhances stability and grip on various surfaces. This is especially beneficial if you need reliable footwear for daily activities, both indoors and outdoors. Looking at care, the sneaker is easy to maintain. The upper material is machine washable when washed cold and air-dried, which is perfect for keeping your shoes fresh with minimal effort. Available in both medium and extra-wide widths, this sneaker caters to a variety of foot shapes, ensuring a comfortable fit for those who often struggle to find shoes that accommodate wider feet. Overall, the Skechers Men's Go Walk Arch Fit 2.0-Grand sneaker is a well-rounded option for men seeking a stylish sneaker. With excellent arch support, cushioned comfort, and practical features like easy slip-in design and durable traction. If arch support and comfort are your priorities, this sneaker definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.